तुम्हा सर्वांना अक्षय तृतीयेच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. On the occasion of Akshay Tritiya, today I am going to tell you some interesting facts about most famous and beloved sweet dish in Maharashtra, and that is Puranpoli. The origin of Puranpoli can be traced back to ancient India, where it was first mentioned in ancient texts such as Vedas and Mahabharata. As you can see, Puranpoli is a combination of Puran and Poli. Puran is combining a sweet filling of cooked chana dal, that is Bengal gram, gool, that is jaggery, and velchi powder, that is cardamom powder, which is then stuffed into a poli, that is a dough made of wheat flour, salt and water. The puran is then stuffed into a dough and then rolled out into circles and cooked on a griddle until golden brown. Puranpoli is more than just a dish. It's a heritage, a tradition, and a celebration on a plate. It is not only amazingly tasty and delightful, but also brings lot of health benefits. Puranpoli contains way more nutritional value than any other sweet we generally consume. It contains the goodness of lentils such as chana dal, which is a good source of fiber, folate apart from vitamins A, B and D. Puranpoli is not just a dish but a cultural symbol in Maharashtra. It is often associated with festivals such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi and Diwali. On the occasion of Holi, we always say, Holi re Holi Puranachi Poli. Puranpoli is also a symbol of warmth and hospitality. It is often served to guests as a sign of respect and affection. Now you all heard the cultural, traditional importance as well as the health benefits. And you have seen the recipe as well. So try at home. You eat and serve it to your all loved ones. And let me know how was it. Okay? Bye-bye.